This rather curious gift isn't normally on their menu. The hole in this tree trunk will provide vital protection. Just what she wants. Now her partner brings her a beakful of mud, and she begins to seal herself in. She has turned the tree hole into a predator-proof fortress. For the next 2 months, he will deliver all her food directly to her door. The food he has brought has enabled her to produce 2 precious eggs. She will keep them safe for another 6 weeks, until the young have grown and fledged. And then both she and they will break out of their confinement.